channel Science and Knowledge. So why the new Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the most innovative flagship of the year? Qualcomm unveiled its Snapdragon X Elite chipset for PCs at the Snapdragon Summit last year. It featured the company's custom Orion CPU cores that quite literally blew away the competition that existed at that point in time, with up to 2x faster CPU performance. Instead of leaving us guessing whether these cores would come to Snapdragon for mobile platform, Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon confirmed during the keynote that Orion would come to the Snapdragon mobile platform in 2024. The company has talked this up frequently since then, including in its most recent communications about this year's Snapdragon Summit that take place October 21 to 23, where it would ostensibly launch the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, the next generation of Orion cores that presumably be announced at the upcoming event, could potentially deliver even more significant gains, which would translate into one of the biggest performance bumps we have seen for the Ultra models. Remember, Samsung used the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor exclusively for the Galaxy S24 Ultra model variants across the global this year, and it is likely that the same may be done for the Galaxy S25 Ultra model that will get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could enable the Galaxy S25 Ultra model to be a gaming smartphone in the true sense of the word. Rumors suggested that this chipset has AI-powered frame generation technology, which is similar to AMD's FSR and Nvidia's DLSS. This technology would enable the chipset to allow the Galaxy S25 Ultra to run Genshin Impact at 1080p resolution with 120 FPS. The handset would be able to run legitimate AAA games such as Assassin's Creed, Mirage, much in the way the Apple's A17 Pro made that possible on the iPhone 15 Pro lineup. There are also rumors of MediaTek's chipset being used for the next year flagship lineup, so it's all a bit up in the air. But as it stands, it seems highly unlikely that the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. October isn't far away, so once we get all of the technical specs of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 at the summit, the excitement is only going to get higher. The only problem then would be waiting for the Galaxy S25 Ultra to launch in the official event, which won't be until early 2025. As the saying goes, good things come to those who wait. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.